Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. For today's video, I am going to do it's partially a leftover paint pour and partially kind of a special effects pour. I'm not sure if it's going to come out the way I'm thinking about it, but I'm going to explain to you what I've done in the past. So I have this black DecoArt satin enamel, and I have mixed it with a black artist loft in this cup with Floetrol. And in the past, when I've used this, it actually caused kind of cracking or crazing as it dried. And I thought it looked really cool, and I wanted to try it with red and yellow, which I have left over from other pours, to see if it looks kind of like lava or something like that. So I am using a canvas that I did a dollar store paint pour on. It turned out pretty cool, but it didn't really cover the sides, and it turned out pretty dark with no white contrast in the middle. So I'm going to pour over it, and we're just kind of doing a test overall. I will probably do a little bit of white, which I have actually a satin enamel white as well from a previous pour, so we get a little bit of contrast in there. Okay, let's go ahead and start pouring. Okay, I am back. So I actually spent a little bit trying to scoop out a chunk from in here. Unfortunately, that's what happens when you use leftover paint. So the white and the yellow on this layer got mixed, which is actually fine. I kind of just wanted a lighter layer anyway. It doesn't have to be pure white. So I'm going to continue on with the pouring, and hopefully we don't get tons more chunks. Alright, so even if it doesn't do any of the cracking that I'm thinking it might, this is really cool. I really like this look. So I'm going to go ahead and use my torch and then let it sit for a while, and we'll take a closer look after that. Ooh, that created a ton of little tiny cells, so let's keep an eye on it. So it has been about probably 15 to 20 minutes, and we haven't gotten a lot of large cells, but I really like the way it looks. I don't think we'll know right away if there's going to be any cracking, because I think that'll happen as it dries. So I might have to include a little clip to show you how it dries. If I take a clip, then I'll put it in right here. This is the fully dry painting, and no, it actually didn't crack or create more cells as it dried. I still love it, and it's super vibrant and pretty, but didn't do what I was hoping. That's okay, we'll just have to keep trying different techniques and see if we can get that to happen next time. Okay, so even if it doesn't crack, I'm really happy with how this turned out. And I hope that it doesn't get too dark as it dries. I think that that yellow, especially the yellow mixed with the white, will help kind of keep the lightness up. And I think this is really neat. This actually reminds me of a kiss pour I did that was kind of like a galaxy with rainbow colors. I will link that in the description and in the cards, because this kind of gives me that vibe. Okay, let's take a closer look. So up here is where most of the red went, and all of this will get darker as it dries, because the Floetrol kind of lightens the colors and then it dries clear, so the colors will be more vibrant. And then down here, I love all these little black cells. This is really cool. Over here we have mostly yellow going through that black, and the middle is so neat. I love all those colors spiraling together. And then more yellow and black up here. Let me know in the comments down below, is there anything else you'd like to see me use with this black, especially in like a tree ring pour or something like that? What do you think this looks like? To me it kind of looks like, I don't know, maybe like a comet or some sort of fireball heading toward, I don't know what it's heading toward. I guess it would be over here, so it's kind of like coming down this way. So maybe entering an atmosphere? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends. And I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.